So our next question is from GATE 2021 Chemical Reaction Engineering for 2 marks. The following homogeneous irreversible reaction involving ideal gases. Please note it down. It is gases, ideal gases. A gives you B plus C, and we have given rate equation is carried out in a steady state ideal plug flow reactor operating at isothermal and isobaric conditions. The feed stream consists of pure A entering at 2 meter per second. In order to achieve 50% conversion of A, required length of the PFR is. So let's start with the solution. Please remember this. Performance equation of PFR is given as tau is equal to V upon V naught. V is the volume of the reactor. V naught is the volumetric flow rate of the feed. Ca naught is the initial concentration. 0 to Xa dxa upon minus Ra. X is Xa, where X is the conversion. Now we can write it as V by V naught is equal to Ca naught 0 to Xa dxa upon K Ca. Instead of minus Ra, I can write K Ca. So now for gaseous phase, we write Ca is equal to Ca naught into 1 minus Xa upon 1 plus epsilon A Xa. If it is liquid phase or there is no change in where epsilon A, what is epsilon A actually? Epsilon A is the volume, the fractional change in volume, right? So if there is a gaseous phase reaction, and reaction you can see here, it was the type of reaction A gives you B plus C, so there is a change in mole. So actually if there is a change in mole, so we will assume, we will write Ca is equal to Ca naught into 1 minus Xa upon 1 plus epsilon A Xa. Now how we can calculate epsilon A? It is very important. Epsilon A is equal to calculated as delta A into Ya actually. What is delta A? Delta A, we will take coefficient of the product, coefficient of B plus coefficient of C minus coefficient of A upon coefficient of A, or stoichiometric we can say, right? So please remember this. And Ya is the purity or fraction, we can say fraction of A in the field, right? And we have given it is a pure gas A, we have given, so we will take Ya is equal to 1 for pure gas. If Ya is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1 upon 1, 1 into 1 is equal to 1, epsilon A is equal to 1. So we will get Ca is equal to Ca naught into 1 minus Xa upon 1 plus Xa. Next, V upon V naught is equal to Ca naught 0 to Xa dxa upon K Ca naught 1 minus, instead of Ca I have put that Ca naught into 1 minus Xa upon 1 plus Xa. Next you will get V by V naught, I have taken 1 by K outside, 0 to, since it is a constant, so I will put it as, right? For solving it, and you can see here 1 upon 1 plus Xa was here upon, so it will go up 1 plus Xa, right? It will be in numerator. So for solving it, what you can do, you can add 1 and minus 1, you can add and subtract 1 1, there is no problem with the mathematics, it is only a mathematics here. So we can do one thing, 2 minus into 1 minus Xa dxa upon 1 minus Xa, and I will separate these terms, so I will get 2 by K 0 to Xa dxa upon 1 minus Xa minus 1 upon K 0 to Xa dxa. And you can see here one more thing, V upon V naught is equal to minus 2 upon K, it will be ln 1 minus Xa, since there was a dx upon 1 minus Xa, that was ln 1 minus Xa into minus 1, so minus 1 will be here, so 2 by minus 2 by K ln 1 minus Xa minus 1 by K into Xa, since integration of dxa will be Xa. So you will get the solution, but I am here showing one more thing, you can do, you don't need to do all these calculations, you can remember one formula, one general formula for first order reaction. If there is a change in volume, fractional change in volume is there, then you can apply this equation only for first order reaction, K tau, where K is the constant, tau is the space time, or we can say it is V upon V naught is equal to minus 1 plus epsilon A ln 1 minus Xa minus epsilon A Xa. Please remember this formula, since if you remember this formula, then you will save this much time to solve this question. So you can solve it by this formula also. So I have told you both both methods, right? So you can see here, given data k is equal to 0.5, x is equal to 0.5, they have given 50% conversion, and we have given rate equation minus ra is equal to 0.5 cs, so it was 0.5, k was 0.5, right? So from this, if you put this equation, if you put 2 by 0.5 ln 1 minus 0.5 minus 1 by 0.5 into 0.5, you will get v upon v naught. Finally this v by v naught is equal to 1.7725. This will be in second. Next, now we will take a look of this PFR. What is this? It is a PFR reactor, plug flow reactor. Actually this is the length. We need to calculate length of the reactor. So you can see here, this is the cross sectional area of A, right, into L is the length, and there is a flow of the fluid. So you can see here, if I want to take the volume, I can write it as volume of the PFR is equal to area into cross sectional area into length of the PFR, A into L. And for volumetric flow rate, I can write it as area of the PFR into velocity of the fluid. So v by v naught is equal to 1.7725, A into L upon A into V is equal to 1.7725, right? So v is equal to AL and v naught is equal to, we can write A into V. V is the velocity of the fluid, it is volumetric flow rate, and it is volume of the reactor. So you will get A will be cancelled out since A is the same. So L by V is equal to 1.7725, and we know V is the velocity. Velocity is given 2 meter per second, and it was in second cancel out. L is equal to 3.54 meter. This was the final answer from IIT Bombay. So thank you so much. Please like and share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.